Ready to dive into the exciting world of Ethereum development without risking a single penny? First, head over to the Chrome web store and search for Metamask. Make sure you're downloading the official extension to stay safe. Click the Add to Chrome button to install it. Once it's installed, you'll see the Metamask Fox icon appear in your browser's toolbar. Click on it, and let's get started by clicking Get Started, then agree to Metamask terms and conditions. For beginners, choose the option to create a new wallet. Set up a strong password that you won't forget. Security first. Then, watch the video explaining about your seed phrase, and click Secure My Wallet recommended. Next, and this is super important, you will be shown your secret recovery phrase, also known as a seed phrase. Write this down on paper and store it in a safe place. This is your key to recovering your wallet if anything goes wrong. So never share it with anyone. Then confirm your seed phrase and click All Done. Now, to access test networks, click on the network drop-down menu at the top of the MetaMask interface. By default, you might only see the mainnet, but click the Show Test Networks button to reveal the test networks, such as Gorley or Sepolia. Select any test network you want. Now you're connected to the Ethereum Testnet. Now, click the Receive button to copy your testnet address. To get some free test Ethereum, search in your browser for a Gorley or Sepolia faucet. Paste your testnet address and request some test Ether. These faucets give out free test tokens so you can play around. It might take a few minutes, but you should see your test Ether balance update in your MetaMask wallet, and that's it. You're now ready to explore the world of decentralized apps and smart contracts without spending real money. Happy experimenting.